Hi guys, this is Dustin, thank you MrTooBlessedToBeStressed, and I just want to shoot this quick video and show you how I use WordPress as a simple HTML editor and HTML creation for just some really dumb simple stuff on my website. I really don't know HTML all that well, and I can do certain things with it, but usually what I'll do is I'll use the WordPress editor to actually generate the HTML code, and I'll copy and paste it where I need it at. Now this doesn't work in all instances. You can't do really complicated web pages in the WordPress blog creator. Like, right now I just hit add new and I'm in the actual blog creation page on WordPress. It also looks the same basically if you go to add new page. It's the same thing, but you can add text and you can bold and you can do all kind of different formatting in here in the visual tab, and then when you hit text it'll actually show you what it looks like in HTML. So I basically use this for tons of stuff when I'm building HTML websites or just simple capture pages, just to generate certain little codes. Or for example, like today, I'm going to actually take this new image that I just created in Logo Creator to make a little ad on the side of my website for my new lead magnet, which is my YouTube marketing course. So what I've done is I went ahead and put this in here. I'm going to show you how I generate the HTML code for that. So let me just start fresh to show you how I did it. So basically what I do is I'll just add the media first. I'll go here and upload my picture that I just made. And on the right side over here, it'll actually give you a place to put in your custom URL. I'm gonna go ahead and center this too, because this matters too. When you're clicking all these options in here, this actually changes, the code, the HTML code that it sets in the next page. So what I do is I go ahead and put in a link here, and I'll put the link as for right now just as testing. I'll go ahead and just put in example HTML www.example.com, because I don't actually have it set to the page yet. I'll just put it full size because I want the picture to appear the exact size that I made it, and that's where it's going to lead to. And I'll hit insert into post. So now that you see it, it's full front and center. And when you go to the text tab, you'll see that it shows the HTML code for picture link, and basically that's the ahref code, and you don't really have to know what that means, but all you need to know is that WordPress has already put this in an HTML format for you if you want to copy and paste it into another website or something else. And for this example, I'm actually going to post it into a widget on the side of my WordPress blog. And what widgets, if you do like a text widget like I'm about to show you, you actually can use straight HTML. So if you just take this right here and you just hit copy and you go to appearance and widgets, go ahead and leave this page. Once that comes up, you'll see I have my primary sidebar and my secondary sidebar. I use primary for pretty much all of my main pages, because that's the way that my formatting is on my site. So what I can do is I can take a new text box, and it says it's just arbitrary text, just plain text basically, or HTML code. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that text over here to the bottom. And then once I do that, I can simply, in the content, just paste in the HTML code that I just created in the WordPress editor. So that's the way I do it, and it makes it really easy to make clickable pictures on the side. You can do this with ads if you're charging ad space on your website. You can also, like I said, do this with new products or capture pages. Anything you want people to click on to go to a new page, you can just throw your picture in the WordPress editor like I showed you and get the HTML code for it and throw it in your widget on the side here. So that's why I do that, and I can go ahead and hit save and see if I go here, visit my site. Let's just go click on a blog post. You'll see on the right side all the widgets that I have, including this one I just created the other day the same way, my Facebook group little ad here. And underneath you'll see the one I just posted. The picture I just posted is nice. It's centered because I chose the center option when I was creating the the thing in the back of the WordPress editor. So it's all centered up in this little column with everything. And it looks really nice. You just click on it, it goes, you can see the bottom left down here, it goes to example.com, because I don't have the page set up yet. But I just want to show you how easy that actually was to do it that way. And it's not just good for widgets, it's good for lots of stuff, but mainly for basic HTML code where you're not doing a lot of heavy formatting, because WordPress HTML sometimes is a little bit different. It gets a little funky if you try to put it into a standard HTML editor or just a raw website. So but I do recommend you use it for little things like getting HTML for pictures with links and the formatting for pictures, and just simple formatting things like H1 tags and different formatting for words can work sometimes too. But I just want to show you that quick little tip that I use sometimes to make it a lot easier on myself, so I don't have to go and just look this stuff up all the time, because I'm not an HTML guy, and I just know how to do certain things, and I take shortcuts like this, and it makes it a whole lot easier. So I hope that's been of some value to you, and I'll catch you guys next time.